Ready to turn your awesome product idea into a thriving online business? Let's dive into creating your Shopify account and launching your store. First, head over to Shopify.com. You'll see a field prompting you to enter your email address. Type in your email and click a Start Free Trial button. Shopify usually offers a trial period, so you can test the platform before committing. Next, you'll be asked to create a password and name your store. Choose a strong password and a memorable name. Remember, you can always change your store name later, but choosing a good one from the start is ideal. Click Create Account. Shopify will then ask a few questions about your business. This helps them tailor the experience to your needs. Don't worry if you're just starting out. Simply select the options that best describe your current situation. Click Next. Welcome to your Shopify Dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything related to your online store. Click on Add Product and fill in all the details, from the product name, description, price, and any images showcasing your product. Next, you'll need to set up your payment gateway. Go to Settings and then Payments. Here, you can choose how you want to accept payments from your customers. Shopify Payments is a popular option, but you can also connect to third-party providers like PayPal. Now, let's make your store look amazing. Go to Online Store and then Themes. Shopify offers a variety of free and premium themes. Browse the options and choose one that fits your brand's aesthetic. Click Customize to personalize the theme with your logo, colors, and fonts. And that's it. You've successfully created your Shopify account and set up the basics of your online store. Now you can start selling your products to the world and watching your business grow. Happy selling!